Nice job, dude. Alright guys, so right now I'm editing a video in traffic. We're headed to Jimmy's to pick up my E30. Pretty much, what's up guys? Oh my god! Anyway, so we're headed to Jimmy's. The E30 is finally finished. Comment down below if you guys missed the E30. It's raining. As you can see, the Bay Bridge is super freaking packed. We're just gonna wait and then we're gonna get to the E30 and do all that stuff. Alright guys, so we're pulling up to Jimmy's. Jimmy's not here, he's on vacation, but Dale's here. Dale actually, I think he built the motor and everything, so let's shout out to Dale for that, guys.
Doing it for Dale, bro.
Do it for Dale! But we're here. I'm excited to finally hear the BMW roar. So yeah, let's go in there. Hallelujah! Oh no. Sad face, super sad face. Do it for Dale! So if you're wondering why we didn't have any videos of the V, this is why, guys. The trans locked up. You can see that. So we're gonna have to rebuild this trans, but I think one day we're gonna come in, figure all this stuff out, figure out what we need for the trans, and send it to Rockland to get either new gears or synchros, whatever we're gonna need. So we're gonna keep this thing manual. I was gonna put that 480 in there, but Chris is keeping that for something else. We're gonna keep that on the secret down low, you know what I'm saying? Because his stuff's his stuff is getting ready to get built soon. So, but this is sad, guys. This is so sad. We're gonna hear this puppy roar. My bad, dude. I straight cut Chris off like mid-sentence. I haven't heard this car in like 4 months. This thing's been like down, but thanks to Dale, you know what I'm saying? Do it for Dale. He, you built it, right? Sounds way better. Yeah. Dang, that thing sounds good. What the heck? Yeah, I know. That sounds right.
Y'all know what it does. Crazy Chris back in action. And today, sorry that was a little close. Today we got the whole squad together. Zach and his tranny Zam. We got Mike's LS swapped G LSG thing. We got Ant in the broken V, and we got Crazy Chris over here and the mystery stain, because Chris in the mystery stain because Anthony's camera does never have space, so we can't really record nothing. So it's called the mystery stain because I decided to go another route. No longer LS swap. Post up in the comments what you think I ordered, because it should be at Jimmy's within like 2 weeks. Look at young Antoine. Alright, 2 weeks. But if you know anybody that wants to buy an LS block, freshly machined LS heads, crank pistons, covers, engine harness, all that, hit your boy up. You know what I mean? We got Instagram, we got Instagram right here, Facebook right here, and Snapchat up here. But let's get back to the real deal.
If you want to see Dale's car, he's got a super sick 3rd gen IROC. Go check him out on Instagram. I'll post it somewhere around here. But right now we're loading up Chris's stuff for his LS because we're going a different route. So if you
that stuff, dude.
Oh, you did? Yep. Oh, well, I didn't know you took the camera. But go I'll put a link in the description. You guys can message Chris if you guys want any. He has like block, heads, everything. So they're fresh out of the machine shop. Oh my god. But I'm super stoked to have this car back. Oh, I love it. She's alive. Can't wait to start doing stuff to her. But we're gonna head back. I need to get gas, and then we're gonna head back and ooh, that's Subi. Head back and I don't know, figure out what we're gonna do. Oh, this feels so good being back in my own car. Like, I don't know, it's been such a long time. But comment down below what you guys. My camera died, so we're using the iPhone. We got the iPhone 7, gang. But comment down below what you guys think we should do next to the car. I got a few things planned, like headers and then alignment and stuff. But comment what you guys think we should do, like cosmetically. I'm getting a new bumper and maybe like a duckbill spoiler. But I want to know what you guys think I should do. I might get it wrapped. So comment. Sorry, I just burped. Comment down below what wrap color or something, like a good color that we should do for this car, because I'm pretty excited for it. Another thing I gotta get fixed is I gotta get another thing fixed is the dash. But let's open this puppy up so you guys can hear it. sounds so good. Like, it's got a nice tone. I feel like the headers will really get like a little bit like more crackle and pop with it. But like I said, guys, super excited to have this thing back. Yes. Oh wow, dude. See if he wants a race.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon.